Lesson in chapter 4 of long division, we're looking at interpreting our remainder. So looking at story problems, figuring out how to solve the problem and what to do with that remainder. So in this example, there are 19 identical socks. How many pairs of socks are there? Will there be any socks without a match? If so, how many? So I know that I have 19 total and I need to divide them into pairs, so groups of 2. I could draw out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and group them up. I could do that and keep going, but I know that I can use an equation to help me. So 19 divided by 2. I know 2 times 9 gets me pretty close to 19 without going over. I know that's 18. Plus, I need to figure out how many gets me to 19. So 18 plus what gets me to 19? That's 1. So 1's my remainder. 9 is my quotient. So my answer is 9 remainder 1. But that doesn't really answer my question. That doesn't tell me how many pairs there are with the matches. So what I need to do is rewrite my answer. So there are 9 pairs of socks. Then will there be any socks without a match? If so, how many? I can say 1 without a match, 1 left. Any of those work. Then, if it takes 8 inches of ribbon to make a bow, how many bows can be made from 3 feet of ribbon? Will any ribbon be left over? If so, how much? So first, I need to figure out 3 feet. How many inches is that, since I'm going to be cutting them in inches? I know 12 times 3 equals 36. So I'm working with 36 inches. That's my total. So 36 divided by, I'm going to take away 8 at a time. So divided by 8. I know that 8 times 4 would get me 32. That's close without going over. 32 plus what gets me 36? I know that's 4, so my answer is 4 remainder 4. So how many bows can be made? I can't write 4 remainder 4 bows, so I'm going to say 4 bows can be made. How many is left? Well, I have 4 inches left over. If we measured out 36, cut every 8, I'm going to have 4 inches left. So I need to say, in answer to my will any ribbon be left over, 4 inches will be left. One question we might see where we kind of have to take our remainder and add it on would be something like, if we said, we'll forget about this problem, and we'll just say if there was 43 groups or 43 students going on a field trip and only 5 kids can fit in each car. So we're going to say 43 divided by 5. How many cars will we need? So I'm going to say 43, I know 5 times 8 would get me 40. Plus my 3 would give me 43, so my quotient is 8, my remainder is 3. I can't just leave 3 kids behind though, so I have 8 full cars, but I'm going to need 9 cars to take all the kids. So sometimes we have to read that problem, decide, is our remainder going to be included in our answer? Do we need to change our answer just a little bit so that it reflects correctly in our answer?